All right, we're about to solve a multi-step with the distributive property. First thing you want to do is make sure that you attack the parentheses first. Right here is a parentheses and here is a parentheses. So the number outside of the parentheses is what you want to attack. You want to multiply those. So you want to take that and multiply it with this, and also multiply it with this. That's -3 times 2x, which gives you -6x. And it's -3 times a -4, which gives you a +12. Then you want to bring this down. And then you want to do the same thing on this side. 3 times x, which is 3x. And then 3 times -6, which is -18. Now you want to combine your like terms on the same side first. So we have this and this. Both of those are like terms. So I can circle those and put them together. This one is positive, this one is negative. All right, so they are different signs, so you subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2x. So that's where I'm getting the 2x from, plus 12. 2x positive because the 8 had the greater absolute value. And then on this side, I still have 3x minus 18. All right, now what you want to do is isolate the variable. You isolate the variable by putting all your variables on that left side. All right, so we're going to take this 3x and do the inverse operation of it. Since it's a positive 3x, we're going to make it a -3x and isolate the variable on this side. So we can get ready to do that. -3x and a -3x. This here cancels out. That there cancels. You can X that out if you want to. I'm going to leave it up there so you can see. Once again, this is negative and this is positive. They are different signs, so you subtract. 3 minus 2 is just 1. Since the negative had the greater value, then it's going to be absolute value is going to be a -1x plus 12 equals -18. Now we can break it down even more and fully isolate the variable and solve. Since this is a +12, we're going to go ahead and get that on the other side. Obviously that cancels out. So that leaves you with, this is a negative and a negative. Same signs mean you add and keep the sign. All right, so you're going to add it and keep the sign. So that's going to give you 30 here, negative, and a -1x here. And the last thing we got to do is, since it's a negative here, it's attached to the variable. That means it's multiplying. So we do the opposite of multiplying, which is divide. So we're going to divide -30 divided by a -1, which equals just a +30. So your answer is x equals 30.